If you are from India, then you want to know that how we can use the NinjaTrader for trading purpose or for analytic purpose, then this video will going to help you to know exactly the complete process. First of all, let me tell you that NinjaTrader platform is completely free, but the order flow concept or the order flow package is having the charges. That means you can implement your own strategies, you can create your own indicator, you can use this NinjaTrader platform and use this all inbuilt indicator for completely free. The only thing is for connecting with the multiple broker, as well as for using the external order flow platform, you need to have the NinjaTrader lifetime license or the NinjaTrader subscription plan license. But we are from, if you are from India, then you can use this NinjaTrader like a trading view platform. We as a Indian trader, what we can do, that we can use this NinjaTrader trading platform in a two-way. So I will explain you what are those two-way, and will give you some small insight that which could be the better. And in upcoming days, I will post the another process of trading directly from NinjaTrader. Still, I am making some research on that. So once it is completed, then I will share complete information with you. So if you are from India, as I told you that as a NinjaTrader, you can use the NinjaTrader as a tool to use. First of all, you can directly connect with the API and connect with your broker, and you can directly execute all trades from directly NinjaTrader. So we'll make a complete separate video on this connecting with the API, and we'll do these steps. But especially in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can sign up with the NinjaTrader official website, how you can download the NinjaTrader platform, which connection or which data pack you need to select, and which would be the better to get all those information. So we'll see the step by step process in this particular video. First upon, what you need to do, you need to come to the Google Gully. That is where you just type the NinjaTrader, and here you will get the official website of the NinjaTrader. After clicking on this, you will get this particular website. If you have already account, you can directly click on the login, otherwise click on the open account. After clicking on the open on account, this window will going to prompt up. Here what you can do, you can directly sign up. Just give me a sec. I think I have clicked on sign in option, right? This, after clicking on the open account, so this website, yeah, this window will going to pop up. So here you need to sign up using your mail address, or you can directly sign up using your Google account. So here the entire thing is, after signing the account, you will get one official mail from the NinjaTrader by confirming your account. Just click on this button and confirm this is your official, or you are the person who has registered to open this account. So after confirming your account, so you have an option of opening your live trading account with them, or you can directly download the desktop platform from them. So as I told you that you can, you need a license for this order flow concept, or you can need the license for a multiple broker. But if you are downloading this desktop platform, then seriously, this is a completely for free. This particular desktop will be enabled by just accessing your mail address and password, then directly you can log into the platform. So what you can do, directly download the platform from here, install on your system. After installing, do one thing, just click on this, just give me a sec, give me a sec, NinjaTrader shortcut, then this window will going to pop up. So here mention your username and password and hit on the login button. So this is the complete um, instruction about downloading your platform, sign up on the account, sorry, sign up on the account, downloading the platform, and log in to the NinjaTrader using your credential. After all these things, but we need to do one external activities. Why? Because we are from India, so the NinjaTrader will not get a directly data feed for Indian market. So we need a completely different data feed as a API integration, or we need to do some kind of an API integration process. So for that, we have a two website. One is the True Data, and another one is um, SLPix. Okay, so these two website have their own different prices, and they're two different ways of using, and they have completely two different of packages. But I have compared all these plans. Somewhat I feel that this Excel picks have some kind of an budget friendly and have some advantage of using these things. Why? I will tell you one thing. When you come to this particular official website, go with the pricing. Here are the options are available, and by clicking on the monthly FNO and equities data, so you will get a 60 symbol data at a time. And around this is where I seriously loved it. You can use the two system at one time. That means you can open a two NinjaTrader account with your two friends, with your two families, and you can have the subscription from this website and you can directly access. But this option is not available with the true data. True data is giving access to the only one PC till standard plan. When you go more than a 2000 plan, then somewhat these options are available at the connecting the two PCs. So that's what I felt that okay, somewhat this plan is more useful because we have a order flow support is also available, and we have NinjaTrader OI chart is also available. We have the index volume, and each and every information is completely available to go with this pack. So if you are someone who want to try, I think they are giving you around 14 days trial pack. Check on those their customer support. Otherwise, if you want to try 1 month pack, then you can select this. If you are satisfied with this all those plan, then you directly go with the yearly equity, this option, third option. Don't go with the second, because when you select the second, the only the symbol will going to increase. You can trade with the 120 symbol at a time, but this is not at a necessary. We are at least a human beings who will going to trade 120 symbols at a time. So somewhat this I felt this is somewhat a budget friendly plan that from this company, and you can take a recommendation from monthly. This is for a yearly. Okay, so the complete instructions how you can connect with the NinjaTrader, how you can do all those steps, they have completely the help supported videos are available on their website, and you can directly ping their customer care whenever you file you feel that you find some kind of a difficulties. They have directly given their the customer care number here, then you can directly connect with them and use a NinjaTrader platform as a technical analysis tool. Okay, like we have the trading view, right? So we make all those analysis on the trading view, and we do initiate our trade on our brokerage page. So you can do that kind of and stuff. In the upcoming days, I'm trying to connect with this their own official developing team, and let me check either do we have a proper connection of making the API integration to our Indian local broker. If that is possible, then sure shot I will upload a next video on that, the how you can connect the Indian broker to directly to the NinjaTrader by using the API integration. So we will see the next process in that particular next video, but this is the complete video that whatever I have shared with you guys, that how and where you can sign up, how you can download the Ninja Trading platform, and logging to the NinjaTrader trading platform support, and where you can get the data. And apart from these two website, which one is the reliable and which plan you should check. I'm not sharing any referral link. I'm not yet interested all their steps, but you can directly search in these website on the Google and will get all those information about these things. So if you are having difficulty in to the process, then you can ping us, or if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping us. Please, but guys, but please don't ping me for sir, I'm not getting NinjaTrader is not starting, and how to make a connection from this broker to the NinjaTrader. Please don't ping me for related for those queries. This particular company team will going to help you to sort out all those doubts. Apart from that, you have any doubts regarding the other doubts, then you can ask me, right? So see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye have a happy trading. See you in this next video. Thank you.